guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget and I hope you're having an awesome day. Today's video is going to be this makeup tutorial, which I'm not sure if I'm feeling or not, but you guys can let me know if you are. It's just this smoky blue eye with a muted brown lip. So if you want to see how I made this makeup tutorial happen, and also if you want this wig, I'll leave my review of it down below for you. But without any further ado, let's jump into the video.
Alright guys, first things first is we are applying an NYX eyeshadow base. You can use any kind of eyelid primer you want, or any color you want. This is just going to be for our smoky base of our lid. Next I'm taking the shade Poison from the Androgyny palette by Jeffree Star. I'm not a fan of this shadow at all, but it is kind of like a chalky, smoky look when you blend it out, and that's kind of what I'm going for, like a little bit of a grungy color. Next I'm taking a little clean brush and I'm just brushing away any unblended areas, and of course the shade Poison is just in the crease and outer corner. Next I'm taking the Colourpop My Little Pony palette. I'm taking the silvery blue shade here, and I'm going to be applying that on the outer corner of the eyelid as well as the inner corner, leaving a little gap in the middle for us to fill in a second. Next I'm going to take this white shade, which actually has a blue hue to it, and I'm just going to pack that in the middle of the eyelids, and then I'm just going to blend it a little bit with my finger into that blue-gray. After that's blended, I'm just going to take that same blending brush we used earlier and buff it all together. Next, for the bottom eyelids, I'm taking the shade Poison from the Androgyny palette, brushing on the outer corner, and then on the rest of the under eye, I'm using the My Little Pony palette and just to blend it all underneath. This isn't very much eyeshadow on the bottom, so don't go too far down on your eyelid to make it look kind of crazy. Unless you like that. Next we're applying mascara. I'm sure everyone knows how to do this already, but I'm just coating my top and bottom lashes. I didn't list the kind of mascara I'm using because I don't like it, so you can use any mascara you have. Once your mascara is done, we can move on to lashes, and I'm using the Allure London number 204s because they're kind of dramatic. Next up is a little contouring. I'm using a Morphe eyeshadow for this. You can use any color you already have, and I'm just buffing this on the cheeks as like a soft contour. Next is under the chin, so blend under your chin as well as on the forehead. Then we're going to move on to blush. I'm using Coral Cove by Milani for this, and I'm just applying it to the apples of my cheeks. Blend it onto contour under the chin and a little bit on the forehead. I just bring it all together. Next up is highlighting. We're using the Platinum Ice palette by Jeffree Star, and I'm using the silvery shade and Ice Cold as well. Highlight your cheeks, make them all pretty. I really like Ice Cold mixed with this Glacier color. It's really nice. And then I do under my on my nose and my Cupid's bow as well. Then take a little clean brush and pack on a little bit underneath the arch of your brow. And then after that, you can use your little finger. I use my finger and just do the inner corners of my eyes to brighten that area up a little bit. Next, we're using a Colourpop eyeliner in Exit for the waterline. Next is a little lip balm. Prep our lips for some lipstick in a second. And now using the shade Daddy from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm not sure if I'd use this color again. You could probably substitute with another one, but it's just a muted brown. Alright, last step for the makeup is to set it. I'm using a homemade setting spray, and it works super well. So go ahead and apply that and set your makeup. Alright, that's it. Let's go put on some hair. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me or you want to see this wig review, I'll leave it linked down below. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye!